Hey guys, this is my bike check. I got a 24-inch 2011 Subrosa Salvador with a 21.25 top tube, mid-bottom bracket, integrated headset. Start off at the front. I got Odyssey lumberjack bars, 8.25 rise, 28 inches wide, I believe. Odyssey Griswald grips, ODI bar ends, stock brake lever, Animal illegal linear cable, Animal jump off remix stem with a kink integrated headset, subrosa stock 24 forks. Front wheel is a stock single wall subrosa wheel with a coalition sealed front hub, kenda 24 by 210 tire. Got demolition medial 2.0 cranks with Animal PC pedals, demolition 25/2 sprocket with a shadow halflink V2. Got Animal mid-bottom bracket, I don't know if you can see it there. Got Primo seat clamp, Animal pivotal post, Animal seat, stock brake arms with Odyssey clear brake pads. I got Profile Mini SS rear hub, left hand drive with an 8-tooth driver, with a stock Subrosa single wall wheel, Kenda tire 24 by 195. Spin it so you can hear it. If you got any questions or comments, hit me up.